Welcome back to First Pairing D. Today, guys, we've got something that we've never opened that we've seen a lot of other people open. We've got 22-23 clear cut. Now, this has a very high ceiling, but also comes with a risk. You hope for someone like this, and sometimes you get someone you've never heard of because it's only one card. But they're all signed, though. Alrighty, let's have at it. As long as we do better than Lyra or so. So here's the thing, it's like you cut this, and it's just like right there, so we gotta get a sneak Shebok in there so we don't see anything. Okay. We've got something. Oh boy.
What's it gonna be?
It looks like a clear cut. '82? I'm trying to think who number 82 is. Oh, Gabriel Fortier.
Oh, Gabriel Fortier.
Gabriel Fortier.
Gabriel Fortier,
yes.
That's what I said.
Hard. You know, the funny thing, actually, I have a card of this dude from when he was still in the CHL in junior. So it's come full circle.
Yeah.
Full
Exciting
circle.
stuff.
Exactly. But yeah, this is a yeah, clear cut Young Guns. Or it's not even a Young Gun, clear cut rookie. I don't know. I could be more upset, but I'm not. Here we go, guys. Full circle on Gabriel Fortier. If you guys like that, you want to see more content like this, maybe not specifically this, please give us a like. We'll always respond to your comments, guys. And have a nice day, because ours is okay.